It's 2022. What type of storage should you be looking to get for your PC? Hard disk drives like this 6 terabyte Seagate drive are nice for, bulk storage for things that you don't need to run very fast. And yeah, they're reliable, but, they're slow as hell. And more modern games like Star Citizen barely even run on hard disk drives. Solid state drives like these Samsung ones here are SATA SSDs, and they're pretty nice, fairly fast. You can run most games on these perfectly fine, and they have a good amount of storage. But they're kind of old. The new hotness are NVMe drives, specifically PCIe 4.0 drives, because this is the latest generation. PCIe 5.0 are about to come out, but those are dumb fast. PCIe 4.0 are incredibly fast, especially this Kingston Fury. Don't mind this. This is, I think that's a Western Digital Black in here. But even this X-Power is good. Anything that's PCIe Gen 4.0 is going to be good for many, many years. Very fast, and you can get them for like 2 terabytes, 8 terabytes, whatever your budget actually has. In my gaming build here, Scorpius, I actually have 4 of those Kingston Fury Renegade 2 terabyte drives. So there's 8 terabytes total, and they're kind of hidden behind here in different places. This is the speed of just one Kingston Fury Renegade NVMe drive, and this is the speed of 2 of them in RAID 0. As you can tell, overkill. So basically when I'm building a new PC these days, I'm just using NVMe drives. But I do have a home NAS that I built with 6 8 terabyte hard drives in RAID Z2 or RAID 6. I can do other videos on that, but that's where all my 4K video footage is all stored and stuff.